Most apps that pay real cash for gaming don't pay for skill or competition. They pay for time spent reaching milestones, completing offers, or progressing through structured gameplay loops. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of apps that pay casual gamers in 2026, how each one actually generates rewards, and what determines whether the earnings feel worth your time or not. Start with how casual gaming rewards actually work. Most of these apps don't pay for winning. They pay for actions inside the game. So progress matters more than performance. First category is milestone-based gaming apps. These apps reward you for reaching levels or unlocking in-game stages, which makes earning predictable instead of random. Second category is offer-linked game apps. These apps pay when you install and play specific games, and rewards usually depend on completing set objectives inside those games. Third category is tournament-style casual games. These apps focus on ranking systems where players compete, but casual players usually earn smaller rewards unless they consistently perform well. Fourth category is tap-and-play reward games. These apps are designed for low-effort interaction, where small actions accumulate into points over time, instead of requiring high skill. Fifth category is hybrid gaming reward apps. These apps combine multiple systems like milestones, offers, and daily bonuses, which increases earning opportunities across different playstyles. Now here's what actually decides whether casual gamers keep using these apps. Session length matters more than intensity. Short, consistent play often performs better than long grinding sessions. Reward pacing also matters. If milestones are too far apart, players lose interest quickly. And game variety affects retention. Apps with multiple game options tend to hold attention longer. So casual gaming rewards are less about skill and more about structure. Summary: real cash gaming apps for casual players usually fall into milestone, offer-linked, tournament, tap-based, and hybrid systems. Real value depends on session length, reward pacing, and game variety. Structure drives earnings more than effort. Next step: choose one milestone-based game app, and track how long it takes to reach your first reward without changing your normal play habits. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.